All right, guys, I'm really proud of this manicure. So I want to show you how I created it. I use this Curali 022 plate. I use this image of the palm leaf. This is my base. I got it at the Dollar Tree. It's like a teal blue. Quick drying. I don't even know the name of it. For the stamping, I'm going to use C&D Vinylux Plume 001 along with this random Prisma luminous color. I don't know where I got this, probably thrifted. It's very translucent and it kind of has some iridescence to it. This, however, has a lot of pigment. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this, you can see all my cat scratches on my hand here. I'm going to actually paint this on the edges of the image like so, and then I'm going to put a big juicy dot of this, and then I'm going to go against all of my rules and I'm going to scrape. Usually you only want to do one scrape, but because we're trying to blend, and you can see I'm turning the card this way and that as I stamp, and then pick up. And I already finished my manicure, so I'm not going to stamp that down, but you can see the image that we're catching there and how the two colors have blended. So I hope that helps. I hope you guys like my super cool little palm tree manicure, and we'll see you later.